Fish swimming beneath, maybe some blue herons sweeping through the valley. We're going to take a look out your windows there. Now the second thing you'll see coming up is a mill race. This was a man-made river built off the Conestoga to run the St.Jacobs mill for power back in the early 1900s. And now obviously we don't use that anymore, but you can still see the river flowing right about here. We're just going to be passing over it. Again, that's the mill race. So there's a beautiful walking trail right beneath there. Very easy trail, flat, very well laid out. If you ever like to take some walks. We'll be arriving in St. Jacobs Village Station, St. Jacobs Village.